everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe it, as it really means a lot to me, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. So in this video I am going to give a review of a skincare brand, that is Dr.Sheth, which is a luxury Indian skincare brand, and it is claiming to be suitable for all the Indian skin type. And now let me tell you, this brand has claimed to be very suitable for Indian skin type, and I have been using this product from last 2 weeks and I'm absolutely ready to give a review on it. So without any further blabbering, let's jump into the video. So now let me tell you that this brand is claiming to be suitable for all Indian skin type, and how it is different from other skin. And let me tell you this as well. So first of all, our Indian skin is full of colors. It is fully occupied with melanin, and apart from that, the pollution, dust, everything is very high. So in order to just use all the cons of these factors, they have made something which is actually suitable for it. So the first product is this Dr.Sheth for Indian Skin On The Go Cleaning Spray, and this comes like this. It has a very nice packaging. I love this packaging. It has a spray packaging, yeah, and I love it. What is the claim of it? It is, in a harsh environment of dust, pollution, and sensitive, Indian skin can suffer. So it just moisturizes your skin and maintain the pH balance. Now, so why I like this product, because whenever I'm stepping out of my house, because of this humidity, because somebody is just on the way, I used to carry these few things with myself, because my skin is super duper oily. So whenever my skin is feeling a little tired, types feeling, I used to take a cotton pad, I used to spray on it, and then I used to apply it, not directly on my face. Apart from this, it has got hyaluronic acid, which is for hydrating, and then rose extract, and you don't need to just rinse it off. It will just automatically get absorbed in your skin. So you can try it. It's a complete yes from my side for all the oily skin type family. Especially, it's a mandate. It's actually mandatory for you to carry these kind of things, especially in this humidity. The second product which I have received is this Dr.Sheth recommends Scintilla and Niacinamide Serum, and this one is costing for rupees 649 for 30 ml, and it comes in this kind of a packaging, a very super sensitive and that medicinal packaging. I liked it. And let me just tell you about the consistency. So the consistency is non-greasy. It's not that oily, that not sticky on your face. You can apply it if you're oily skin, because I'm oily skin. I'm a super duper oily skin. And then you just need to take the dropper. See, I've already used it, and then you can just take you can just take 2 or 3 drops of it, and then you can apply it after cleaning and toning your face, because this is our skincare resin. So now what this niacinamide used to do, it removes all the hyperpigmentation from your face. So if at all you are having sunburn, if at all you are facing tanning issues, you can try this niacinamide. I would recommend you to apply in the morning, because I am very much particular about this UV radiation, so I used to apply it in the night time especially. So I'll definitely recommend you to try all these products during the night, apart from that on the go spray. And here it is written, and take 2-3 drops, apply on the face, gently tap, and use twice a day, which I am not doing actually. And then use SPF, they are saying. So because face is always sensitive when the UV radiation is falling on your skin, so I will just recommend you to ignore it in the daytime. And it's pregnancy safe, and then great for both AM and PM. Again, the same thing is mentioned here. And here it is mentioned that it control the sebum and maintain all the skin barrier. Means if you are acne prone, you can try it. If you're looking some serum for sensitive skin, I think you can definitely go with it. It doesn't cause breakout, but yeah, please take a patch test before applying any product. That's surely my recommendation, because all the skincare performs different on different skin types. So make sure you are taking a patch test before applying this product. Third product which I have received from them is this Dr.Sheth recommends Amla Vitamin C Serum, and this is how it comes like. And this one costs rupees 999. This product claims to stop the issues of wrinkles. It hydrates your skin. It just correct all the hyperpigmentation from your face. It brings all the inner glow, and apart from that, it's moisturizing as well. So if you are facing the issues of dryness, if you are facing the issues of uneven skin tone, if you are facing the issues of let's say wrinkles, you can definitely go ahead and try it. So if you are 25 plus, you can use these products. You can use this product because it's eventually helping you to reduce the wrinkles as well. So you can try this. And again, these products are these products were safe for my skin. When I applied, I didn't got any breakouts. So I will definitely recommend to take a patch test before applying all these products. And direction for use of this vitamin C is, again, I will recommend you to apply these products in the night time, because in night time your face is completely protected from the UV radiations, apart from that bulbs and lights in your house. So I mean, you can, if you wish, you can apply the SPFs as well, but I don't do. I am really poor in it because I don't want my face to be occupied with SPF every time, though it is recommended. So with this, I'm wrapping up my video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then, take care guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.